Over time, pools have gathered some very interesting myths. There are tons of them, and for owners and users alike, we want to get to the bottom of some popular ones. The chlorine is turning my blonde hair green. In actuality, the chlorine isn't turning your hair green, it's copper. It's usually from mineral systems or algicides, but honestly, there's no reason to use anything other than chlorine to get the job done. Chlorine pools smell bad. This is one of the most common myths, but if you maintain proper chlorine levels in your pool, there will be no smell whatsoever. Keep an eye on your levels. The scent you're smelling is actually the chlorine breaking down organics in the water. Keep the pool clean and the smell will go away. Rashes, swimmer's ear, and stinging eyes are from high levels of chlorine. Rashes and swimmer's ear are usually caused by bacteria. Most of the time, irritation occurs under the swimsuit, where it's warm and damp. We suggest rinsing off after getting out of the pool, while eye stinging comes from improper pH levels. When your pH is low, it's like swimming in acid, which nobody wants to do. Mineral systems are a good alternative sanitizer. These systems use metals like copper and silver. They help with algae but do nothing to other pathogens and should be used with chlorine for the best effect. In addition, the rates they kill algae are very slow, while introducing a huge risk of stains on the surface. Cramps from eating before swimming? This is just an old wives' tale. We get it, mom wants to take care of you with a delicious lunch while you play in the sun, but honestly, it's highly unlikely you're going to cramp. Unless you eat an excessive amount of food, like a medieval feast amount, you'll be fine.